Road and other vulnerable areas to prevent smuggling of such products. Former Chief Minister of Manipur and Rajya Sabha MP Risang Kaishing was honored on the Father's Day by Manipur Baptist Convention Center Church. Imphal Women's Society by giving him the Father of the Year 2010 title at a function held at MBC. Gifts were presented to Risang Kaishing, who has been honored with a doctorate degree by Alpha Bible College, Chennai. Speakers on the occasion emphasized the role of parents in the society and in guiding their children. Group songs praising fathers were also presented at the function, which was attended by many families. Reverend L. Simon Raumai, pastor, MBC Center Church, also attended the celebration. A sport competition for school children was held at Bal Bhavan, Khuman today. About 300 school students participated in the competition organized by Department of Social Welfare in connection with the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking to be observed on the 26th of this month. Talking to ISTV News Extension Officer of Social Welfare Department, A. Kameshwar said the painting was organized with a view to creating awareness among the school children about the problems of drug abuse and their impact on the society and to help them stay away from drugs. A 28-year-old man was found hanging inside his bedroom at his wife's house at Uripok, Vachaspati Lekai this morning. The deceased was identified as Haubijam Rajesh, son of H. Romi of Lalambung Makong, and was working as a private security firm. He had been staying at his wife's house for the last 3 years. Several dogs and cats were given anti-rabies vaccination at a program held at Sagolba, Nepra Menjor Lekai. Joint Director Veterinary Imphal West and Young Social Service Union Sagolva Nepra Menjor Lekai jointly organized the vaccination program at the club's premises. After spending 2 days huddled in meetings over legal and health aspects of the Bhopal gas tragedy, the group of ministers met again today for the 4th time, discussing the environmental damage caused by the gas leakage. After the meeting, head of the group of ministers, P. Chidambaram, said that remedial and contamination issues were discussed and that they will submit their final report on the Bhopal tomorrow. The meeting discussed remedial issues and environment issues, remediation of contaminated water, contaminated soil, toxic waste that are on the site and the corroded plant. This was the last session of the group of ministers. Chidambaram said the meeting covered all the subjects that were identified in the beginning. The minutes are being drawn up and tomorrow a group of ministers will meet again at 10 a.m. to finalize the minutes and finalize the conclusions of the recommendations. The panel is considering burying the toxic waste from the Union Carbide factory in the accident site soil itself. Nearly 26 years after the disaster left over 15,000 dead, former Union Carbide India chairman Keshav Mahindra and 6 others were sentenced to 2 years imprisonment by a Bhopal court. Police have arrested Maoist leader Bapi Mahato, the main accused in the Janeshwari Express train attack in which over 148 people were killed. A section of the track was removed. A train headed to Mumbai derailed in Jhargram in West Midnapur and was then hit by another train on May 28. This is the 4th arrest in the case. The Central Bureau of Investigation is probing the train disaster, which is suspected to be a work of Naxals. Earlier, the CBI had offered 1 lakh for information that could help locate 3 people it has accused of the West Bengal train attack last month. Before we conclude, the top stories once again. First Manipur Road Congress stresses the importance of Imphal Jiribam Road and the need to develop it. And Imphal bound tiger skull and pangolin scales worth over ₹2 crore seized from Lokapriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport in Guwahati. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us.